Is right. So everyone, think about something that you need to heal, something that's ready to come up for healing. Bring that up to your forethoughts, whether it's your kidneys or your knees or allergies. Bring it right on up. And if you feel like it, join me by standing up and singing this song, I Am Healed. Woo! Let's get it. All right, everyone. You know you can move up to these tables if you want to, too. Everything I need to know is right here. There's a power